Okay, y'all, it's time for the real reveal, the real review. I'm gonna keep it straight, I'm gonna keep it honest, I'm gonna keep it truthful, straight facts, no printer. This is how I feel about the camera. So, y'all, I finally got my new camera. I got the camera from Amazon, but I think it's like the viral camera that I've been seeing around TikTok a lot lately, and I am so excited because this means I can finally start vlogging and doing a lot more work outside instead of just at home, because I do not want to be carrying around this big Canon T6i everywhere I go. It's too big. It's not convenient enough for me. So I finally got the camera. So let's open it up. So I literally ordered this yesterday morning on a Wednesday, and I got it on a Thursday. I just got home from work and I took it out the Amazon locker. So should be ready to go. This is what it looks like when I open it up. So I got the camera and I got a mic because I know this is like a cheaper camera. It's very inexpensive. I think I spent like 85 or something around that on the camera, and it came with a wireless mic, and I also bought a separate mic to go on top of it just in case, because I was looking at some of the reviews and some of the stuff and people were saying that the sound quality is not so good, so I just ended up buying a mic with it. So we're gonna see if they actually work together, but this is what the box looks like on the outside. Yeah, this is the other mic that I bought. I think I spent around like $30 on this. So again, pretty inexpensive, not too much money. I think altogether I end up paying like $115 for the mic and for the camera. So let's go get into this camera. Let's go ahead and open it up. But just on the back, this is like a 4K Ultra HD camera. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not too familiar with the technicalities when it comes to cameras, like all these words and languages. I'm not too keen, so I don't even know what half of this stuff means. I'm just hoping that it will be useful for what I'm trying to use it for. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. It comes like this. Feels good in my hand. It's a good size, very compact, so I can, be on the go like ching-ching. But this is so far what it looks like. Let's do some side views. This also comes with another lens. This is like the extended lens. I'm not sure how many millimeters this is. Let's see. Okay, so this is the macro lens. It doesn't tell me how many milliliters. Like, it usually has the mm thing on here. Not seeing it anywhere, but let's go ahead and attach it to this. Boom, attach it. Screw it on. And there you have it. These look like the batteries. So it comes with 2 batteries. The other one is in here, and this is one of the batteries. So yeah, I'm gonna go let these batteries charge up, and then once they're finished charging, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I set up the camera. I'm gonna give it a little quality check. I'm gonna give it a little sound check. I wanna show you guys what the sound is like with no mics, what the sound is like with this mic, and what the sound is like with the wireless mic. So I'll be back when the batteries are charged. So after a little bit of time, I literally took a whole day to reset my mind on how I feel about this camera. I started researching some other cameras just to kind of see the difference of what I was working with. Not to say I wasn't doing the research before, because I did do research before I got the camera. I looked at the reviews. I looked at some of the qualities like of what I would get on Amazon. I used what I could to before buying this camera. I used the resources I had at the time. to kind of figure out what I was gonna get out of it. So boom, this is how I feel about the camera. I'm gonna just be straight up. I don't like it. Don't like it at all, not one kind of bit. And here are the reasons why. So let's take this camera out. Let's go. So from the outside, it looks like a nice camera. It looks like an ordinary camera, you know. Could be useful for what I'm trying to do, which is vlogging and stuff. But once I got into looking at it, and I looked at the quality, the video quality and the sound quality and even the picture quality of everything, after I looked at it on my computer, I'm like, nah, bro, I can't do it. So now the highest that this camera shoots in is 4K 30 FPS. Now I don't know exactly what FPS means, but I know it has to do with the video quality, and this is just too low of a video quality for me that I won't even be able to like get the good videos that I want to have for my vlogs and stuff. So that's one thing. Then I tried to use a wireless mic that it came with. Doesn't sound good. It doesn't even, like, it works, but it doesn't even sound good. Like, it doesn't have good sound quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. This is the wireless mic. Wireless, testing, 1, 2, 3. That blew me. And then the actual sound quality on the camera sounds like I'm underwater. First take on the camera. This is the audio on the camera without the mic. I don't know what exactly it will sound like until I put it on my computer, but this is just a tester for how this camera works. So I saw in the reviews that the sound quality on the camera wasn't too good, so I already knew that I was gonna have to buy an extra mic to go with it, and that's what I did. But the mic that I bought doesn't even go with the camera. I'm guessing like it's not compatible. Like, I guess it's like a like, you know, certain stuff is not compatible if you don't have like a certain version of something. I'm not exactly sure what version I would need, but I just know it's not compatible. And at first I thought it was the mic, but the mic works with the camera that I'm using now to shoot this video, so I know it's the camera and the mic, they're not compatible. The mic works, but the mic doesn't work with the new camera that I just bought. Definitely do not go and get it. Do not go and get this camera. I don't think it's worth it. I guess it's kind of my fault. You can say that because I spent probably $100 with the camera and the mic together. I think the camera came out to like 85 something. It really just comes down to you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. I paid less than $100 for this camera, and I got less than $100 worth of video quality and sound quality. So I guess I shouldn't have expected much, but just the hype around it, seeing this camera on TikTok, seeing this camera come up on Amazon, and kind of doing the research that I thought was be beneficial before making this purchase. It's not worth it. Don't do it. I plan on returning this camera right back to Amazon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and splurge a little bit and invest a little bit more into a quality camera that is more compact so that I can start vlogging and doing more stuff with my camera outside. So that's my total review. I just want to be raw, uncut, and honest. If you still want to get this camera, by all means, and you think that it would be a good start to your vlogging journey, you have all the evidence on how this camera worked for me. So if you think that will work for you, then by all means, go ahead and get it. That's my review. I'm going to be taking you guys along my journey of buying a camera. When I do get a new vlog camera, I'll show you guys what I pick and what I chose. But yeah, this journey continues, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.